Welcome back to For the Love of Grilling, where we continue to learn and try new things every single day. Today we are trying some creamy garlic mussels in a lemon butter sauce on a barbecue in Cape Town, South Africa. For this recipe you'll be needing the following items, which we'll be going through step by step in this video, so follow along. Okay, let's start by getting the Weber switched on, igniting, setting it on high, making sure middle burner, outside burner all ignited. Get your pot on there, get it going. Once placed, close the lid and give it 10 minutes to heat up. Okay, 10 minutes later, nice and hot, the pot is searing, and now we add the 4 tablespoons of butter, copious of amounts, and just want to get it nice and melted in the pot. Next, we add the 2 finely chopped onions. Now we're going to stir it around. I think the technical term chefs use for this is sauteing. I'm just going to call it browning them in a pan or a skillet, I suppose. We're going to be adding those copious amounts of garlic, 4 to 6 cloves, crushed. You can add more to taste, and continuing the sauteing, or again back to layman's terms, browning them in a skillet until they are nice and soft. I'm also adding 2 bay leaves for taste. This is just an exotic twist which you can add if you want to, but it's not necessary. Close the lid and give it 5 minutes. Okay, let's check on those onions, garlic and bay leaves. They seem to be softish. They smell divine. So you can check this. Awesome. Nice texture, nice and soft. Now we can add the white wine. It's about 2 cups or half a liter of white wine, which we'll be adding to the skillet. Okay, stir it around. We're going to give this mixture some time to reduce a bit, or just boil down a bit to about 1/3 to 2/3. We're going to close the lid and just give it time. Okay, it's about 10 minutes later, and checking back, it's been reduced by about 1/3, which is adequate for me because I'll be adding 1 kilogram of half shell black mussels. Now we are going to be adding the fresh cream, 500 milliliters or 2 cups of it. Okay, let's get this stirred in well and mixing all the flavors and the ingredients together. Turn the Weber down to the medium setting and close the lid for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, it smells absolutely out of this world. It is an awesome smell. Texture is perfect. Time to add the mussels. I'm adding approximately 1 kilogram of half shell black mussels, cleaned, debearded, or I don't know if you would call it bearded or debearded. Well, no beard, no other side of the shell, going into the pot. Just give it a quick stir and just make sure all the mussels are nicely covered. Okay, time to put on the lid. We're going to be turning the Weber down to the lowest setting and give it 10 to 15 minutes. I checked on the mussels in between, and it's now 12 minutes later, and you can just look at it. The smell is indescribable. It smells fantastic, and yes. Okay, these mussels are ready to come off the grill. Removed from the heat, we are not done. We still have to add the juice of 2 lemons. Don't forget the zest of those lemons. And about 1 cup of chopped parsley. Let's not forget the salt to taste. I've got some Himalayan pink salt here, which I'll be adding to taste. Now it's time to get all these amazing ingredients mixed together and get this flavor infusion. Oh, it smells. Oh, ooh. My mouth is literally watering. Just a tip, if you added bay leaves, remember to remove them, please. And not to be forgotten, we got to add some freshly ground black pepper just to spice it up a little. Time to give it all a mix once again. At this point, it is hard not to beat people down to get to this pot first. It is the most amazing smell that you can ever imagine, and I do honestly mean that. And here is the final meal, the dish. Oh, start to finish, about 30 minutes. From prepping right down to this final dish that you see prepared in front of you right now. Worth stating, my youngest, who doesn't even eat seafood, polished half the pot. And here I have it served up with some freshly baked feta and olive bread, crispy crust. Oh, it was amazing. It was really, really, really amazing. I do invite you to try this. I've got the video up top. I'll link to it where you can see how to bake your own bread, and let me know what you think of it. I'd like to thank you for watching. Do like this video and please do subscribe. I continue to try and learn new things every day, so do join me. Wherever you go, go with God, stay blessed and grill on. Goodbye.